Columbine or Aquilegia canadensis, and here you can see I've got a lot of organic matter in the soil, and it does best with organic matter. I like to keep the soil covered all the time for all of my plants, and if you scrape the mulch aside, you can see it's kind of damp. And there, right there, is some new seedlings that are just coming up from last year because it drops seeds very good. Here is a plant that I planted from seed a few years back, and I keep digging it up and transplanting it out front, and it grows back again. But Columbine is one of my favorite flowers. The leaves on it are rounded. You just can't see it here because it's going right in next to this other plant. Isn't that a pretty flower? Hummingbirds love Columbine. Columbine is a short-lived perennial, and you can sow the seeds in the... I have the best luck with spring planting, but some people sow the seeds in the fall. 6 to 8 weeks before the first frost. I mean, it prefers full sun to partial shade. Although in hotter climates, it's good to give it a lot of mulch around the base and keep the soil moist. But it thrives in well-drained soil. They do the best in soil with a lot of organic matter. And if you put a lot of organic matter in your soil, you don't need to water as often. And to plant plants that have been pre-started in a flower pot, just dig a hole a little bit bigger than the pot and put it in there, and push the soil back in around it, keeping it at the same ground level that you had before. And new plants can be watered quite a bit in the first year, maybe once a week, or you can put your finger in the soil and see if it's dry. And you can use fertilizer if you want. If you keep a lot of organic matter in your soil, that's the best, or even a little bit of both, like what I do. They overwinter just fine. They are hardy in zones 3 through 9. So, in short, just give your Columbine plenty of organic matter in the soil, and you can put a nice mulch around it if you want, and keep the soil moist. And I grow mine in a little bit of shade. I think it prefers a little bit of shade. And my favorite thing about Columbine is it self-seeds very well. Very good. It's just a nice hardy plant. And if you liked that video, please subscribe to my channel. And I will talk to you next time. Bye-bye.